Hello everybody. Today I have this one to show you guys how does it look like inside. This is another type of chip, and this called Pringles. This one is the original. It's bursting with flavor. In here, the nutrition facts. Just give me 1 second. I need glasses. Okay, nutrition facts. About 5 servings per container. Serving size is 15 crusts. So that's 15 by 5 is 75, is right? Yeah, 75 crisps in here. Actually, it's slices. I know it. And the calories are 150 calories per serving. So 5 serving, you eat the whole container, you will be get 5 is 750, is right? 750 calories if you eat the whole container. And percent daily values, they have a total fat is 12%. In that 12%, they have saturated fat is 13%. That is 2.5 grams. And trans fat is 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 mg micro I forgot how to read. Milligram I think. 0%. That's been a long time I haven't used it, so I forgot. Sodium 150 milligrams, 7%. Total carbohydrates is 6% in that. 6% carbohydrate and that is 16 grams. And that they have a dietary fibers less than 1 grams is 3%. In the total sugar includes 0 added sugar 0%. Proteins is 1 gram. Vitamin D 0%. Calcium is 0%. Iron is 0%. Potassium 2%. And this so my camera is difficult to read, or my eyelashes, I don't know if you guys can read it. The daily percent daily value tell you how much of a nutrients in the serving of food contributes in a daily diet. 2000 grams of calories a day. Okay, I just keep the stating so you guys read, okay? Is used for general nutrition advice. In Koreans, they have dry potatoes, vegetable oil. In vegetable oils, they have a corn, cottage, high Oleic, soybeans, and or sunflower oil. Degerminated yellow corn flour, cornstarch, rice flour, Maltodextrin, mono and diglycerides, salt with starch, contain glycerin ingredients. Oh, my camera jump on now, difficult to read. Okay, the rest of them you guys look at it, okay. Anyway. What's in the bottom? What did you have? Best Buy November 3rd, 2024. I think I bought the buy one get one free at $2.99, $2.49 each. Buy one get one free. In the back, in the past, they're very cheap. I remember it's on my dad bought on 99 cents, buy one get one free. And back on my mom, we just got here. Actually my mom, my dad usually bought it to eat. I don't know. It seems like they like it. Back and only 49 cents each. 49, 59 or some 39 or something like that. It's very cheap back then. But I think I bought last time is $2.49. I rarely eat this. Usually they buy it. I eat only one slice or two slices, but it seems like now look at back. I didn't back time I didn't pay attention. Now look at back like they like this type of chip. Even though we just come here couple months, my mom, my dad bought it already. Also the potato chip. I rarely eat though back then. They bought home. I rarely eat. Just it's one day we are sick together. We watch the TV. Back then no TV, no cable. We just watch the regular TV in Orlando. We watch channel 35, 18. Usually they have movie about detective, something like that. Like you remember the Magnum BI or something like that. And Texas Ranger or something like that. I forgot. I remember the movie, but I didn't remember the name. I know when I look at the characters, I know which movie is that, but I didn't remember. Actually, I didn't pay attention to the name of the movies. That's I think a television series. Yeah. Let me yeah. The slide look like a slice of potato. But the thing like they have, they're not only potato, they have potato and dry potato, vegetable oil, degenerated yellow corn flour, and then they have flour too. Concentrate rice flour, maltodextrin, mono and dilysylala salt and wheat starch. I think they mix it together and then they make a slide like this. Yeah, let take a little more out so you can see it. That is very easy to break. Yeah. Oops. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. I think it's less saucier than potato chip.